everyone, welcome to yet another interesting video from Simplilearn. Imagine a small online boutique with a great product line and a beautifully designed website. Despite all the effort put into the business, it's barely getting any traffic and sales are stagnant. The owner is frustrated and wondering why potential customers aren't finding their store. That's when they turn to Google Ads. By setting up targeted campaigns, they start reaching customers who are actively searching for products just like theirs. In a matter of weeks, the business sees a noticeable increase in website traffic and sales, all thanks to the power of Google Ads. Google Ads has become an essential tool for businesses looking to connect with the right audience at the right time. A Google Ads campaign helps businesses reach potential customers online by displaying targeted ads across Google's vast network, including search results, YouTube, and partner websites. Advertisers set a budget, choose a campaign objective, and create ads that are shown to specific audiences based on keywords, demographics, and interests. The campaign operates on a pay-per-click model, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it an effective way to attract interested customers and achieve your marketing goals. So in this video, we are going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Google Ads. We'll cover how to create a campaign from scratch, set your budget, and choose the right winning strategy. We'll also dive into targeting options to ensure your ads reach the right audience. And we'll show you how to craft compelling ads that drive results. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to launch your own successful Google Ads campaign. So let's get started.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
But before that, if you're interested in a career in digital marketing, unlock your potential with a postgraduate program in digital marketing from Simplilearn, a top-tier course designed to transform you into a certified digital marketing expert. This comprehensive program offers a unique blend of live interactive learning and hands-on experience, enabling you to learn, create, and promote your own website. Master both basic and advanced digital marketing skills through the Stuken simulation, delve into over 10 case studies, and complete more than 20 projects to solidify your knowledge. Harness the power of AI and ChatGPT tools alongside 35 plus essential digital marketing tools. You can find the course link in the description box and pinned comments. So without further ado, let's get started. So to kick off our Google Ads campaign, we'll start by creating a new campaign. So once you're logged into your Google Ads account, begin by clicking the blue plus new campaign button. So here you're presented with a list of campaign objectives. Now choosing the right objective is crucial because it guides Google Ads on how to optimize your campaign. So let's see one by one. The first objective is sales. So this is perfect for businesses looking to drive direct conversions, whether it's online purchases, phone orders, or in-person sales. So for instance, if you run an e-commerce store, this objective will help you target users who are ready to buy. So Google will prioritize showing your ads to people most likely to complete a transaction based on their behavior and intent. So this makes it ideal for businesses focused on generating immediate revenue. So you can use this when your primary goal is to turn clicks into sales, making it perfect for businesses with clear purchase paths like online stores or service providers. Now next we have the leads objective. So this is designed for businesses that want to gather contact information from potential customers, such as through form submissions, phone calls, or signups. So for example, imagine you are a real estate agent aiming to build a list of potential home buyers. So by selecting the leads objective, Google Ads will optimize your campaign to reach users likely to fill out your contact form or call your office. Now next is website traffic. Now this is the objective you'll want to choose if your main goal is to drive more visitors to your website. So this is particularly useful for increasing brand awareness or getting people to explore your products and services online. Like for instance, if you're a blogger or a content creator, so this objective will help you attract visitors to your site to engage with your articles, videos, or any other content that you put up. So now next comes app promotion. So this is when you have created an app, like for example, an online gaming app or anything, and you want more installs or downloads. Now next you have awareness and consideration. So it is designed for businesses that want to engage users and encourage them to think about their products or services. So this is especially effective in introducing something new to the market. And then you have local shop visits and promotions. And then you can also create a campaign without a goals guidance. Okay, so here we are planning to give an example for lead generation, like how to generate lead for a free online course provider. So let's select leads and continue. Now, as we have selected an objective which is generating leads, the next step is to choose your campaign type. So there are several campaign types, like Google Ads offers several types, but the two most common are search and display ads. So anyways, let's start with the search ads. So these are the text-based ads that appear at the top of the Google search results when someone searches for keywords related to your business. Like for example, let's just see car rentals near me. So your ad could appear like this, like as you can see the sponsored ads. So your ads could appear at the top of the search results. So this is highly effective for capturing high intent users. So people who are actively looking for what you offer. Now next we have display ads. So these are visually engaging ads that appear across the Google display network, like which includes websites, like the ads, basically the ads you see in others' websites, apps, or even YouTube. So now display ads are perfect for building awareness and keeping your brand top of mind. So they work well for retargeting, like showing your ads to people who have previously visited your website but didn't take any action. Now the next one is shopping ads. Now shopping ads are a powerful tool for e-commerce websites. So these ads showcase your products directly in the search results, complete with images, prices, and your story. Like for example, if we search leather jackets, just a second. Leather jacket, yeah. So your shopping ad could appear displaying a product image, price, and a link to purchase directly from your website, as you can see here. So this makes it easy for potential customers to see what you're offering and click through to buy. So shopping ads are ideal if you're looking to drive sales of physical products, providing a visual, direct path to purchase. Then we have video ads, which is another impactful way to reach your audience, especially on platform. Video ads, you can create engaging content that appear before, during, or other videos on YouTube. So it is basically the videos, like the ad videos that you see, like while watching your YouTube video. And then we have performance max campaign. So this type uses Google's machine learning to optimize your ads across all Google properties, like including search, display, YouTube, Gmail, etc. So performance max campaigns are perfect when you want to maximize your results without managing multiple campaign types separately. So Google's algorithms will automatically find the best combination of ad formats and placements to meet your objectives. So right now we'll select the search campaign type, and we'll be giving lead form submissions, and let's press continue, and let's just keep like lead search. So now that we have selected our campaign type, the next step is to set your budget and bidding strategy. So this is crucial as it determines how much you're willing to spend and how Google Ads will manage your bids. So now for bidding, since our objective in this demo is to generate leads, we'll choose conversions. So this strategy lets Google automatically set your bids to get the most conversions within your budget. So now you can set a target cost per action. So this budget is the amount you're comfortable spending per action. So like you can just give 0.3 rupees, per action. And let's press next. Now next, let's define our targeting options. So this step is about deciding who will see your ads, where they will see them, and when. So you can target users by location. As you can see, all countries and territories, India, or any other location, you have options. So for example, if your store is in Delhi, you might want to target only people within a 50-mile radius. Now, additionally, you can also refine your audience based on demographics such as age, gender, and household income. So this ensures your ads reach the most relevant customers. And you can also select the languages that your customers speak. Like you can give English, you can give Hindi. So you can select multiple languages that your target audiences speak. And also you can select the audience segments, like what your audience might be doing. So like for example, we are actually giving this example for lead generation for a free online course provider. So what we do is we can actually, like, our audience will be students, right? So we can give students, you can give current university students, and this is also for working professionals. So you can give working, education, jobs, IT, and technical. So you can select who your target audience are. So effective targeting is crucial for maximizing your ad spend. So take the time to consider who your ideal customers are. Now let's go to next. So now next is selecting keywords. So for search ads, keywords are the backbone of your campaign. So these are the words or phrases users type into Google when looking for products or services like yours. So choose keywords that are closely related to your business. So for example, we are actually looking for lead generation for this particular website, which is Simplilearn skill website that provides free online courses. So first you have to give the final URL. And then you have to enter your keywords. You can also, type in the products or services like you advertise, like the course name and everything, and you can enter the keywords. Now you can take the help of Google's keyword planner for keyword ideas and see how often they are searched. So let's just go to keyword planner, discover new keywords. So now here you have to enter the products or services closely related to your business. So here I'll just type free online course, digital marketing. So you can give so many keywords, okay? And let's get results. So now these are the keywords that are suggested by the keyword planner. So what you can do is you can just select the keywords. Like you can select so many multiple keywords. You can copy it. You can paste it here. So this is a demo. That's why I've just taken, 3 to 4 keywords. But in fact, you have to use more keywords. So now you have selected your keywords. Now it's time to create your ad. So your ad copy includes the headline, description, and display URL. So this is what users will see in the search results or across the display network. So basically in your ad. So making it engaging and relevant. So first you can give the URL of your website. So in the headline, you can grab the attention by highlighting your key offerings and including one of your main keywords. Like for example, you can give master digital marketing. You can give, like you have to fill at least 3 headlines. So you can give free digital marketing course, or you can give best digital, and you can even fill more headlines. Now you can use the description. So this is the description part. So you can use the description to expand on your offer. So like you can highlight unique selling points of yours, like expert instructors. For example, you can give expert instructors, or flexible learning, or like enroll today to boost your career, etc. So once you have done this, let's go to next. Now this shows your budget. So as you can see, we had given like 0.244 cost per conversion. So your weekly cost will be 58,100 rupees. So here you can see the budget. Now the final step is, before we launch, it's important to review all the details. Now Google Ads will show you a summary of your campaign settings, including your budget, targeting, keywords, and ad copy. So you can double check. So next is the review. So here you can double check everything to ensure it aligns with your objective. So this will take some time. So select, once you're satisfied, you can publish your campaign. So your ads will start running shortly and you can monitor the performance in real time through dashboard. So that's a wrap on our Google Ads campaign demo. I hope this guide has made it easier for you to navigate the platform and create effective ads that truly resonate with your target audience. So remember, the key to success with Google Ads is continual optimization. So monitor your results, tweak your campaigns, and stay focused on your goals. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, do support us with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.